Sony's next flagship smartphone will be called Xperia XZ Pro, according to the latest rumor out of China. The company will allegedly unveil this device at MWC next month. The XZ Pro will reportedly come with a 5.7-inch OLED touchscreen with 4K resolution, slim bezels, and a tall aspect ratio, possibly 18:9. It has a dual rear camera setup, made up of an 18MP shooter with 1.33 megapixel size, and a 12MP sensor with 1.38 megapixels. On the front it will sit a 13MP snapper for selfies. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 845, paired with 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of built-in storage. The XZ Pro will be IP68 water and dust resistant, and will employ a 3420 mAh battery. It's expected to launch in China for over 6,000 Chinese yuan, that's $931 or €758 at the current exchange rates.